Second graders, today you are going to learn how to solve problems using arrays. So you're going to need your graph paper. I sent you a page of graph paper in the big yellow envelope, but if you don't have it, you can just use plain white paper. That is what I'm going to sort of use today with our whiteboard. So that's all right, but the important thing is when you're making arrays is that you make the X's or circles, whatever you're using as a symbol for your things in your arrays, the same size. And you kind of keep your rows equally spaced and your columns equally spaced. Your rows go side to side and your columns go up and down. Those maybe are two words you've not really heard in this way before. So our first problem that we're going to solve is this, that Brady bought Brady bought 3 packs of gum, and there were 5 sticks of gum in each pack. Now, I know some of you know how many sticks of gum he had just like that. And I'm happy about that, but I want you to draw that array with me. And so how I'm going to do it is start out like this. I'm going to have 3 rows, and they're each going to start right here. And so here's my first row is going to go this way, my second, and my third. And each row is going to stand for a pack of gum. And how many sticks of gum are in each pack? 5. So now I'm going to count this X as the first stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's 1 pack of gum in the first row. Second pack of gum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 sticks of gum in each one. Watch what happens when I don't count the first X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That doesn't work, does it? That's not an array. So, I have one out here because I forgot to start by counting this one. So you have to make sure that you do that. So if you do that, just erase the last one. Make sure you have 5 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. All right? And then you need to write the math problems. So 5 sticks of gum plus 5 sticks of gum plus 5 sticks of gum equals 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 more is 15. 15. And your multiplication problem is 5 times 3 equals 15. And you can also do the turnaround with multiplication like you can with addition. 3 times 5, because you have 3 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, equals 15 as well. All right, I hope you're working along with me. If not, pause the video, catch up. Next one. Erase this one. You got your pencil and everything ready? You working along with me? The next one is this. There were 7 kids on each team, and there were 5 teams. So let's switch to a different color for this one. 7 kids on each team, 5 teams. I'm going to start with circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little crooked. 5 teams, 7 kids on each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, I'm trying to make my circles about the same size. That does make a difference in arrays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I counted wrong that time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you see why it's careful that you do it neatly. You take your time. So I've got 7 kids on each team. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams. And I bet you're thinking this. 7 plus 7 is 14. Another 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 14, 28. Plus 7 more, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33. Wait, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 equals 35. 7, 5 times 7 times 5 equals 35. And 5 times 7, 7 times, do the turnaround, equals 35. Good job. Now, I want to do one that you have to think of a little bit differently. Let's say there were let's change that. 2 rows of books with 9 books in each row. I'm using cards to figure out my numbers. You could use a dice if you wanted, if you're practicing more on your own. 2 rows of books with 9 in each row. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those little lines are standing for my books. And there's one row, and I have another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus 9 equals, you know that one, 18. Then the other way is 2, I gotta save room for this one, 2 plus 2 plus 2 more plus 2 more plus 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I gotta catch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are. Plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Totally running out of room equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 18. Same thing. I'll move this a little closer so you can see better. So 9 times 2 equals 18. That's more like this one. And 2 times 9, 9 times, 2 9 times equals 18 as well. You are doing great. So that is our lesson on arrays. I want you to do these with me before you work on your math pages, okay? And when you work on your math pages, you are going to do page 210 in your math book. Number 4 is a little bit of a challenge, but I think you can do it. And there's only 4 problems on that page. This page is 210 right here. Nope, other way. This page is 210. So I'll put that in the Google directions. And then I also want you to do this math box right here on page 194. And for this one, you are going to write the addition and the multiplication problems that you used to solve it in the Google Doc and then click done. So I know that you did it. So that is all that you got to do today. If you want, at home, play some more with arrays. You can arrange your stuffed animals in an array. You could use pennies and make arrays and kind of mess around with it. This is the beginning of multiplication, and I know you're very excited to learn multiplication. Many of you have been asking me since the beginning of the year. So, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!